Hey guys, it's Scott with the No Budget Homestead, and I thought I'd give you all a bit of an update as to what the heck's been going on in the No Budget Homestead. We haven't posted in a while, except for the garlic and onion update, and just want to give you guys my apologies on it, but it isn't because we haven't been doing anything. It's just things have gotten crazy. First, let me just tell you, my work, we're moving from one building to the other side of town into another building. And so that has taken up quite a bit of time. And when I come home, I'm just too tired to do anything. Some of the other things that have been going on, little man got hurt playing soccer. So there was a couple of days where he hurt his back, his neck, his head, and his side. Yeah, it really worried me initially because nobody wanted to move him off the field. But it turned out, thankfully, knock wood, that everything was fine. He didn't have a concussion like I was afraid he might. And his back and neck and all that seemed to heal perfectly. So he's 100% now, and he's looking forward to getting back into playing soccer next week. So that's over with. I've had some issues with the Jeep, and I've been taking care of that. Matter of fact, today I think I've gotten everything sorted, and I went ahead and changed the oil, changed the plugs, checked all the fluids and everything, even bought some additional little knick-knack and parts that I needed to fix the skid plate better to the bottom of the Jeep. Skid plate has been losing little fasteners here and there and everything, so I went ahead and bought some more and put those on there. Let's see what else. On top of just washing and all that stuff, just trying to make the Jeep look presentable. But other than that, we've had some odd weather coming through also. I've done some work on the chicken coop and everything, just a little bit here and there to help during inclement weather. Kind of gives the girls a little bit more dry space. And I'll show that to you guys in another video and everything. Yeah, it's just been crazy. It really has. And I've just been trying to get things done around the house. It still needs to be done, like the floor. We got all the laminate laid, like you guys have seen in previous videos. But some of the trim I still need to do. And to be honest, I've just been too tired to do anything. I really have. But we do have things coming up that we're working on. I'm working on putting in more raised beds. I went ahead and placed an order for some seeds, and I'll tell you guys about that. So we got to get the raised beds. I haven't had a truck to pick up the lumber that I need, so I'm waiting for my brother's he sold his old truck. Now he's got a new truck. He hasn't picked it up yet. Yada, yada, yada. But anyway, that's just life stuff. But I just thought I'd take some time here and just let you know where we've been, what we've been doing. It's amazing how life just keeps getting in the way of things that you want to do, Not only YouTube, but other things, and I've also been working on trying to get pricing and plans set up for the shed that I want to build. So it isn't that I haven't been doing anything. It's just I've been so busy, I just haven't had the time to do much recording. And that's my apologies, because I try to keep you guys in touch with what's going on here and everything, and that's my fault. It just, lately when I get home, I'm just too darn tired, really. Let's see. Other than that, I do want to do some videos about the raised beds, like I mentioned earlier, what seeds I got and why and everything, and also some of the work. Got to get back to work on expanding the run on the coop and everything. So a lot of good stuff coming up. It's just getting the time to do it, and I'm going to do my best to get it done for you guys, okay? Because if I'm doing it for you guys, then it actually gets done. But anyways, thanks for sticking around with us, guys. I really appreciate it. I mean, I've been blown away. We're like, almost 590 subscribers. wow, you guys are awesome, and I thank you so very much, okay? We may also try and do a live in the next few weeks and everything, and but you know, we'll play that by ear. Sometimes lives are good, sometimes not so much. So you know, it is just what it is. So, and I'm gonna do another short video after this one because I got a question for you guys. See if you guys can help Little Man and I out. But I'm not gonna tell you what it is until the next video. Yeah, cliffhanger. But anyways, I'm babbling. I'm tired. I just got through working on the Jeep. It's kind of dark out and everything. And Little Man's over at a friend's house playing. So it's a friend he hasn't seen in a while. So he's been spending a lot of time with him. So, but anyways, guys, thank you very much for hanging around with us. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, if anybody out there hasn't subscribed and you guys are watching this video, please click that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Don't forget that little bell icon, you know, ring that bell. Ring my bell. Okay, I'm not going to kill you. Okay, please don't unsubscribe. Please. I won't sing no more. But anyways, guys, you can tell I'm tired. I'm getting slap happy. Y'all have a simply unbelievable day, night, week, month, and year. And thank you for hanging out with us. God bless you. And of course, we'll see you on the next video. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.